Hi, first graders. Happy Friday. When you're done with the videos today, make sure that you take your comprehension test and your spelling test. If you want to take it online, it is under the assessment tab and you will go to Nearpod. If you want somebody to read it to you, watch the videos under the assessment tab of Mrs. Hillig. She will read you the words and the story, or you can have a parent read you the story or the spelling words. Remember, this week we are working on our silent letters. So we have KN, GN, and WR. So in KN, the K is silent, so it just says N. GN, the G is silent, so it says N. And WR, the W is silent, so it says Now that's like in this word, KN says N, EE says E, we have the word knee. WR, W is silent, so we have super E, word is right, and then GN, G is silent, at the end, we have the word gnaw. Okay, sound it out, ready? Word is wrong. Change NG to TE. Think. Say, word is wrote. What's the word? Change O to I and TE to ST. Think. Say, word is wrist. What's the word? Change ST to NG. Think. Say, word is ring. What's the word? Change I to E and NG to N. Think. Say, word is wren. What's the word? Add CH at the end of the word. Think. Say, word is wrench. What's the word? Okay, in your brain, sound it out. Think. Say, word is right. Think. Say, word is knee. Think. Say, word is knock. Think. Say, word is wrong. Next word, think. Say, word is wrote. Think. Say, word is napped. Think. Say, word is night. Think. Say, word is wrist. Think. Say, word is wrap. Think. Say, word is nah. Think. Say, word is wreck. Think. Say, word is new. Think. Say, word is knee pad. Think. Say, word is snowball. Next word, think. Say, we have wrist. Watch, what's the word? Next word, think. Say, the word is moonlight. Next word, think. Say, the word is base. Ball. Next word, think. Say, the word is day. Dream. Next word, think. Say, the word is home. work. Next word, think. Say the word is dog, house. Think. Say the word is cot. Think. This is a blend. We have stir, ah, the air, e word is strawberry. Last word, think. Word is suit. Case, what's the word? Okay, bling words. This is the last time you will see these words before you take your spelling test. We are going to read the word, spell the word, write the word in the air. Ready? The word is purple. What's the word? Spell it. P-U-R-P-L-E. Get your writing finger in the air. 3, 2, ready and write. P-U-R-P-L-E. My favorite color is purple. What's the word? The next word is black. What's the word? Spell it. B-L-A-C-K. Writing finger in the air. 3, 2, ready, write. B-L-A-C-K. It was so dark last night, it looked black. What's the word? Word is white. What's the word? Spell it. W-H-I-T-E. Did you paint the walls white? Writing finger in the air. 3, 2, ready and write. W-H-I-T-E. What's the word? White. Next word is orange. What's the word? Spell it. O-R-A-N-G-E. Writing finger. 3, 2, ready, write. O-R-A-N-G-E. The sky looks orange during a sunset. What's the word? And our last word is pink. What's the word? Spell it. P-I-N-K. Writing finger. 3, 2, ready, write. P-I-N-K. They painted the baby's room pink. What's the word? The story we are reading today is Naughty Pine Park. What's it called? Okay, word is it. This is a contraction for it is. Word is said. Word is something. Word is of. Word is our. Word is you. Word is have. Word is there. This there is the belonging there. It belongs to them. And last word, this word is they. What's the word? Naughty Pine Park. Okay, so we have WR here in the word wren. Then we also have KN in the word naughty. And then there's wren again. And then we have KN, which says n. And then we have the word knocks. And wren one more time. Now there's a tricky word right here. This word is parade. What's the word? Let's read it together. Ready? Read. Wren and her pals met at Naughty Pine Park. It's fun to swing and climb, said Wren, but let's do something new. Let's make a parade, said Knox. Yes, cried Wren, we can dress up. Okay, here's that tricky word right here again, parade. This word right here is another name of one of the friends that is Sasha. And then we have some silent letters. We have wrong and ren. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. I'll wear my dad's funny hat, Sasha said. Mom got it for him, but it's the wrong size. That's great, said Wren. Our parade will be lots of fun. Okay, next page we have silent W in the word wren and in the word wrapped. We have silent K in the word knotted and in the word Knoxes. Now there's some tricky words in here. This word is marched. What's the word? Okay, let's read it together. Ready? Read. Wren wrapped an old sheet around her. She knotted it on the side. She got a drum and a cane. Then she marched to Knox's house. Okay, next page we have silent K in the word Knox. We have silent K in the word knack, silent W in the word wren, and silent K once again in the word knox. Now, this word right here is shiny. What's the word? And this word is scissors. What's the word? Let's read it together. Ready? Read. Knox wore a shiny black cape. He pulled a paper bird from his top hat. You really have a knack for tricks, said Wren. Mom helped me use scissors to make this bird, Knox said. Next page. Once again, we have Sasha. This word, the B is silent. This word is lamb. This word's kind of tricky. This word is designed. Then, of course, we have our silent letters like K in the word nose and K in the word knock. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. Sasha wore her dad's funny hat. This is my cat, Lamb, Sasha said. I designed this dress for her. Your cat knows lots of tricks, said Knox. Okay, last two pages. So we have silent letter W in the word wren, silent letter K in the word Knox, silent letter B in the word lamb. There's the word lamb again. All right, then we have some tricky words in here. This word is quite. What's the word? And this word is seen. What's the word? Once again, we have the word parade. And then this one is windows. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. Wren, Knox, and Sasha marched down the street. Lamb danced in her fancy dress. The three kids and Lamb made quite a scene. People watched the parade from their windows. I'm going to read this page quickly so that we have time to do the rest of PowerPoint. At last, Wren, Knox, and Sasha reached the park. Kids stopped swinging. Kids stopped climbing. They clapped and cheered. The Naughty Pine Park Parade was a big hit. Okay, remember that a compound word is two smaller words that are put together. So here we have the word knee and the word pad. We put it together to make the word knee pad. It is a pad for your knee. Same thing with haircut, toenail, doghouse, and football. Now, I like everything about playing outside. That means that there's not anything specific that you like because you like everything. I will play anything that has running and jumping. So anything could be not any specific thing, but something. Then we have nobody likes when it rains. The word nobody means that no person. So no person likes when it rains. But if somebody thinks of a good indoor game, everyone can still have fun. So somebody means any person. It's not specific. And then everybody means, or everyone means every person. That's it for Phonics PowerPoint with our silent letters. I hope that you have a good weekend and make sure to take your brain stretchers. Bye.